National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montague County in north central Texas, Western Cook County in north central Texas until 2:30 a.m. At 1:26 a.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located from near Bowie to east of Nakota, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms, which will likely cause flash flooding. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bowie, Nakota, Munster, St. Joe, Forestburg, Sunset, and Stoneburg. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 502 and 503. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.